a couple of the cute things that I got for the Valentine's Day lookbook. Look at this. Torrid, new with tags. New with tags, Torrid. I'm probably gonna have to put a belt on with this. That's 12 Torrid. Cute little blue jean, but look at the little detail. Look at that little floral detail on, and it's on both sides. Cute. I had to get it. I'm like, black is not a Valentine color, but it's gonna make it work in this lookbook. I got some vintage stuff and some new stuff. It's gonna be a nice lookbook. And buttons, little boy. Stop pushing buttons. Stop pushing buttons. Stop, stop, stop. Stop, 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 little boy. You're gonna get put out. You're gonna put out. You're gonna put out. You're gonna get put out. He laughed. And this is a Banana Republic V-neck. It has a little shimmer to it. Can y'all see that? Yeah, y'all see it. The shimmer. That's why I got this. And it was new with tags. Banana Republic signature collection.
I meant myself a butt chin.
So yeah, I thought this was cute. Why would you make yourself a butt chin? He said he made himself a butt chin. This child. Who does this type says that stuff? Kids nowadays. Kids nowadays. He took your seat. He done jumped. Zane done jumped in the seat out for the Valentine. I don't even know how you got up there. This little boy could just do stuff. I don't know how he got in this. I'm gonna have to show y'all. Y'all know how this vanity. Look. How did he get in that seat? I'm gonna lift it up so y'all can see how that seat is. Look at that. I don't even know how he got. I don't know how he got up there. How did he get there, y'all? This boy jumped through his little short self. I don't know how he got up there. He just Spider-Man or something, I guess.
Okay, well,
all right. And then we got this last bag. He's laughing because we don't know how he got up there. Got this cute little dress. Millennials. Yeah, so I got, you know, you got to do the lookbook for all ages. For the millennials, so I'm hoping this one will fit me. I think it will since I lost it that way. But this is the front of it. This is the back. I think it was Forever 21. No, American Eagle Outfitters. It's a cute little dress, and I thought this would go good. This cardigan sweater, I'm thinking, would be cute over this dress, but we'll see once it's on how cute that it actually is. But I'm thinking that would be cute and make it more Valentine's looking. And this is Route 66. Cute little, and this is a 14-16, so that's in juniors. So yeah, that's my idea with this sweater over that little dress. So we shall see. Then I got, I went to the store. That's why I went to the store when I got off work tonight to get the ingredients for that Mexican gumbo. And then I'm also going to make veggie chili. Not tonight though. I'm just gonna make the Mexican gumbo tonight. But look at this. Isn't this cute? It seems like this was handmade too. I think somebody actually made this, a seamstress or something. Maybe not, because it does have a brand. No, it's a brand. This is a brand. Looks like it's I-I-I-I-A. That's what it looks like. What do y'all think, Eddie? It looks like I-I-I-I-A. I don't know how you would say yeah. Is that how you say yeah? Because I don't think it might be I-L-L-I-A. Elia. Don't know. Oh, it is real leather. It's 100% genuine leather, exclusive of trim. I was wondering. I said, this looks like it's leather. This is real leather, y'all. So I paid full price for this, which was $3.99. But this is leather. I thought it was pleather at first because it kind of feels, it's so soft. I didn't even see that tag in there that said real leather. So yeah, isn't that cute? That's how I'm gonna be a hot Valentine's date with this. Look at that. Got the little split. Got the little split. Look at that. And then I got little vintage tops. This little top. I think this one was vintage. Let me see. No, Evan Pecan, 100% polyester. But I just thought that was cute. It'd be cute style with, just imagine this tucked into this. You got to see it on to get what I'm doing. You got to see it on to get what I'm doing, y'all. Look at him. He's back with his little wobbly self. But look at this, y'all. Look at this. And this is a very long blazer, but I'm going to wear it as a dress with some heels, with those gold boots, probably, whatever looks right with it. But yeah, because it has like golden beads. Those little beads are gold, and it's vintage. I was like, this is going to be cute. If I could put a little camisole on underneath it. Hopefully it's long enough. I'm thinking it's long enough to wear as a dress with some knee high or thigh high boots. Gonna style this vintage blazer, y'all. Going to style this. And like I said, the outfits that I wear in this video, people will be able to have. I'm just going to give it to people. They can pay the shipping if they want. I'm going to keep some of them. Like that leather skirt, I'm probably going to keep that because I like that. And that was a good buy for $3.99, that leather skirt. And I got this pink just sweater vest. Nah, don't try to run. Don't try to run. Don't try to run. he trying to run. He knew he was getting in trouble. He's in everything. Then I got this. Look at this. For the millennials. For the millennials. You get put out. This is a Maxine brand. You get put out. You get put out. Say bye, I'm put out. Get put out. You too busy. Busybody. Don't. Yeah, you can. I don't care. You get. So this, I figured, can either go with that. See this and this together. Just a cute little basic outfit for a millennial. And a casual, kind of cute, casual Valentine's Day. And also this top could go with it. And I also thought about this top with that leather skirt. Look at this top. It's a cute vintage top. Julie Francis, Dry Cleone. This is silk too. This is a silk top. Y'all gonna have to see it on to get the full effect though. Y'all gonna have to see it on. And then I got, look at this, winter, for our winter people like us, because we get in the winter weather now. It's supposed to snow a little bit this weekend. But look at this. This is Echo. This is red by Mark Echo. So they sell that at Macy's and stuff. There's this cute little tag. I also thought this would be cute with that brown skirt. 3 to 6 inches. Lord have mercy. Yeah, you say, oh, Zane said, oh. He's showing y'all the clothes. And now this is a simple skirt. Pink, tan, and cream. And then you got the little ruffles at the bottom. The top that's gonna go with that. That's not this one. Sandra Darren, size 14, stretchy bodycon dress. But look at that, it's cute. That's why I got. Look at the red at the bottom. It's very, very cute. That's why I got it. So I'm gonna make it work, but I know it's too big for me. But I'm gonna make it work for the video. But this will definitely be a giveaway. Somebody wear on a hot date with their boo for Valentine's. And for the giveaways, for some of the giveaway like this and whatever, I'll probably pay the shipping. I'll probably just bless somebody with nice, then these are nice Valentine's dress. Even if you take yourself out for Valentine's Day, whatever. I'm probably gonna do what I'm gonna have y'all do. And that's all of the Valentine's Day house stuff. So that's all I got for that lookbook. So that's all. And I thank y'all for watching, Terry and Nana. Thank y'all for watching. And I hope y'all stay tuned. Not tonight. I'm done. I'm about to go cook and eat and go to bed. I'm so sleepy, y'all. I'm so sleepy. And yeah. I hope y'all like the little lookbook. For my room, blinged out, silver, crystal, blinged out wall hangers, mirrors, whatever, just some decorations, and then something that I could sit on top of an armoire. It's like silver and blinged out. Maybe some kind of silver blinged out like tree or something that stems. Something cute. I need y'all to comment and find some stuff for me online at home, home goods, wherever y'all can find stuff like that online. And I need runners, area rugs, teal, silver, whatever. I need silver and teal pillows. So I'm gonna get all this, but if y'all can find some of it, shop for me in that other video, that the room makeover part 1. And then whoever's, if I pick something from somebody, if I pick an item from what somebody picks, then they'll get that same item sent to them. How about that? How y'all like that? If I pick whoever's item that I pick to design the room, or whoever's items that I pick, if I pick some, then you'll get the same item. I'll buy you the same item. So that'll give y'all some motivation now to shop, huh? So yeah, do
Bye,
that.
Team Random.
He's saying bye. So hopefully I can go shopping tomorrow. If not, I'll give y'all a little bit more time. If nobody comments, I'm gonna give y'all a little bit more time, maybe another week, to start commenting and shopping for me. And yeah, let me know. Send me the links in the comments, or tell me where to find it and the price and stuff in the comment on that video, the premiere tonight, my room makeover. So I will see y'all next time. Hopefully when I premiere the Valentine's Day lookbook. Love y'all. Be blessed and be a blessing. If you ain't subscribed, make sure you click and subscribe to Team Random. If you have subscribed and you just did it recently, welcome to Team Random. We love y'all around here. And be blessed and be a blessing. And I'm going to do a Valentine's Day date night too for people that don't have dates. We're going to have us a good little meal and chit chat on Valentine's Day. How about that? At night, because I'll be at work during the day. But yeah, we're going to have a little Valentine's Day date. So when I do the lookbook, I'm going to let y'all pick which outfit y'all want me to wear for the Valentine's Day date with me. So anyway, bye y'all. Bye. See y'all in the next video.